Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Easter Sunday, approaching 3 o'clock. Just going to go for a walkabout. I'm not sure where to go yet, but we'll have a wander about. There seems to be a few people about this afternoon, more than Saturday, but yeah, just come out now. Thank you for all the views and the new subscribers over yesterday, but yeah, apologies for the wind. I really didn't know it was that bad, so I know most of you aren't bothered, but there are a few people that are never happy about the wind, but I can't help it, I'm afraid.
Yeah, because they're making statements.
It's a lot better day today, isn't it? I didn't expect to see so many people about. Thought more so Saturday than today. So yeah, I'm just glad the weather's held off for all these people. Sorry. But yeah. God, frightened the life out of me, that did. Don't know whether you heard it or not. Give you a quick glimpse of the sea, and then we'll have a wander about. A lot of people on the pier as well. Smell of fish and chips there. These people are going to get stuck on that island there, aren't they, if you can see it? Oh well, we'll leave them to it. Lifeboat over there. Not sure if they're practicing or what they're doing, to be honest.
Every rolling up, he would immediately be like,
Oh, certainly some people about. I wasn't going to come into the main centre of town today, to be honest with you, because I'd done it yesterday. And I thought, well, you'd almost see the same video, but you know what Blackpool's like. Every day is different. And you never know what you're going to see, so I will continue this walk a little bit. Let's have a wander up Church Street. Some people watching. Certainly a lot of people come to Blackpool for the day and come out, haven't they? Even the horses are out today. So I expect there'll be a few about tomorrow as well. No, Winter Gardens, the doors are open. Don't know what's going on there. Maybe some dancing thing by the looks of it. Oh well, there's no wind, there's more people about to look at, isn't there? So, for those that are saying this is the same as yesterday's, I can't help it, but it's a different day. Yeah, definitely dance. There's so many dance competitions throughout the year here in Blackpool. The summer vibe here.
I need some help going Saturday.
Yeah.
Could do with a beer, but I'm saving myself until tomorrow afternoon. And I should come out and have a beer. We'll have a wander through Abingdon Street Market. Hopefully the other entrance is open down the other end. Toffin Street. Champs has got a few people in, and Churchill's. Someone's had a lot to drink there. It's so nice to be out without the wind. Yeah, like I said yesterday, doesn't this look better now all that fencing was up? banging away there in Kelly's. Galleon bar's open. It's just the bottom end here. That's our library there, one of our libraries. Right, I'm going to have a walk down Queen Street now. Slug and lettuce. Look at this for a bike. In the old days, bank holidays were all about mods and rockers at seaside towns, weren't they? Fantastic bike that. I'm overdressed again. Unbelievable.
Well, wait till we get to the car.
Will I ever get it right? Yeah, that was a bit of a soul sweet. It looks like the bee's knees is busy here as well. I'm not going in today because I'm overdressed. I look like I'm dressed for winter today. I'll put my head in and show you it. More people outside, I think. Yeah, we've sort of gone round in a circle now almost, haven't we? Let's walk you through this counting house and show you this counting house bar, shall we?
A little bit of a breather. I don't want to keep you honest again, so I'm breathing the bottom of the also as well as the
Yeah, it's a little bit of the counting house if you haven't seen it before. North Pier. Yeah, a few people outside the Rose and Crown here. Very popular when the sun shines. Right, we've had a good walk round. We walked round a couple of places twice, I know, but hope you enjoyed this one on this lovely Easter Sunday here in Blackpool. The weather's absolutely gorgeous. So good for the people that come here. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this one, and yeah, not so much wind today. And yeah, thank you all again to everybody that watches, likes, shares and subscribes. And I will catch you again very, very soon. Bye bye for now.